Do you have a parent or loved one that is in need of moving to an assisted living community, but you need to sell their house in order to facilitate that transition? My name is Ben Sochek. I'm with 7 Days Cash by Home Downsizing Solutions, and we specialize in helping individuals that need that type of service to be able to sell the house in order to move to senior living, especially assisted living, if they need that specialized care. If you're a family member or friend of the family trying to help an individual get that accomplished and are looking for a fast, easy, convenient way to get the house sold and to be able to get to assisted living, then we can certainly help by buying the house in its as-is condition and as quickly as our title company can check title and prepare closing paperwork, typically in just a few days. Whether you want to take anything out of the house or leave any stuff in the house that has accumulated that you don't care about anymore, we can take care of that. If you don't know an exact date of when you can move into the assisted living community, we can buy the house so that you know the house is sold, so that you have funds available in order to make that move and stay in the house. So if you need to, for up to 30 or 60 days, maybe longer, if the assisted living community does not have availability, a room to move into just yet, but you know you want to get there, we can make sure that that is a seamless transition for you as well. We can also assist in finding people to help move, to help pack, and anything that we can do to make that move from your current house into where you want to get to, we can help with. And so if you have a house for sale or want to sell in order to get to an assisted living community, just let us know. Go to 7dayscash.com, the number 7dayscash.com, and we can assist the best way that we can in order to make that happen for you.